Ka Myntri jong katanat ka kuat kakia ka Dr. Amparin lengdo. Ene ka singi balang kala leit ban Jurip ya ka jaka sumar ya ki bapang bampong lane ka cancer wing jong ka Civil Hospital Shillong. Ha ka ne ka jing leit Jurip ya ka cancer wing jong ka Civil Hospital Shillong. Lasan ran ya ka Dr. Amparin lengdo da ka Dr. Anisha Maulong ka badai ka specialist radiation oncology department. Baru Dr. W bilang sti lembat kiwe ki he officer jong katanat ka kuat kakia jong ka sarkar jela. Haba keren syakilat patai kubor, hadin ka jialang rengkat ki doktor jong ka cancer wing, bar ki doktor jong ka Civil Hospital Shillong, ka doktor Amparin ke tu baka jingpang bampong, kadai ka we ni kinong peniap hapo ka jala Meghalaya. Ka doktor Amparin kalong baka ne ka jingwan Jurip, ya ka cancer wing jong ka Civil Hospital Shillong, kalapli ki kemat jong ka berkum juru, ban sengutu, hadu katno ka ne ka jaka sumar ki bapang bampong, ka kotbor ban penbit penbiang, ya kilat jing sumar. Kalong bakum ka Myntri katana ka kuit kakia, berkumjuru ki pajba anong song jong ka jela kamtam ki banapo kanong ba Shillong kidon ka jingkeli lano ka cancer wing jong ka Civil Hospital Shillong kan pli barhadu katno ka ne ka jaka sumar kan aji mentoy ki bawan pak sumar kalong bana ka banta ban rat dingkhong e ka jingpang bampong don kam ban itu shwa nadu basdang bano kita ki bala banyo e ka ne ka jingpang namar don kam ban sumar e ka ne ka jingpang nadu kisngi ba ulan ne ka breu kiyo e ka ne ka jingpang. Kalau ongru baka East Khasi Hills, kadika district ka Bajurba ka Jingpang Bampong, badai namar kanela sedang ya ka Mission Mood, na Shillong, badhadu menta pelat arajar ngut ki breu, ki balawan ban pa eksamin.
Today's inspection is at the operational cancer wing of the Civil Hospital has been a big eye-opener for me personally. I am aware that there were a lot of unanswered questions about when this cancer institute in the Civil Hospital complex become fully operational. And as you yourself saw that, tremendous efforts put in to ensure that we are reaching out to patients across the board, across gender, across ages, and age groups, because it has now been established that cancer is one of the biggest killers in the state of Meghalaya. The team of doctors are well versed with what is needed to get done, and they are well prepared and preparing forward to ensure that we upscale the facility of this Cancer Institute as well. Because of the jargon that will probably be a big hurdle for me to explain properly, I think we should give them an opportunity to explain this facility to the people of Shillong and the state of Meghalaya more efficiently. I think they've done a very good job, and the government has also come up with a mission, a cancer mission. Now, the very fact that we call it a mission is because we have to combat cancer as a disease on a war footing if we want to address this big problem that the state now is faced with.
The new cases, average new cases per year we register around 1000 plus new cases, and per day our OPD attendance both new and old is roughly averages to 50 to 60 patients per day.
That's what she just said, doctor just said, that we now have to inculcate this ability to not just react after cancer has been detected. They've just started a new program where it has been recently launched only for the East Khasi Hills region, where the largest number of detections have been found. So this free testing, screening program has taken off, and over 2,000 people have already been screened in about 200 camps. They will upscale these screening camps as well and extend these screening facilities even to other parts of the state. But because the East Khasi Hills region has registered the highest numbers of registered cancer patients, this project takes off from East Khasi Hills. Now, how does this work? They're going to be screening for under multiple parameters for detection of cancer, so that you have early detection, early treatment, and overcome cancer right from a very early stage. Because most of the patients that are actually now under the facilities available here in the cancer wing in Civil Hospital have come at a very late stage, making their treatments very, very difficult and cumbersome.